Hey YouTube, this is my first video, and a lot of my friends said that I should do a cover of the song Speechless, but it's a really hard song, so I'm just gonna do the second verse. Laying so closely, I feel your skin rubbing and touching me. Only sweat between us, feeling you kissing and pleasing me. I rub your back and I kiss your neck. I know that you love when we touch like this. I can feel you need me. Feels so good to me. Feels so good to me. Going out my head, I think I'm losing all my mind. Drive me crazy, burning candles, making love all night. Feels so strange and feels so crazy to be in your world, in your arms, lost for